The SECUPRO MARTEGO from MARTOR is a robust safety knife for users who cut frequently and have the highest expectations. The aluminium handle is suitable for both left and right-handers. To cut, release lock and squeeze lever. The blade retracts fully automatically, even when you keep the lever squeezed. Cutting is especially ergonomic when your hand and arm form a straight line. When finished, always lock. Then unlock again to cut. For example, plastic strapping band at an angle of 45 degrees. Or any type of film. If necessary, you can also change hands. Important: never put your free hand on the cutting path. The safety mechanism engages as soon as you apply sufficient pressure to the blade. When finished, blade retracts. For better guidance when using the safety knife, insert fully. And, very important, never cut directly towards you. To remove the lid, position the knife at the top of the closed cardboard box and keep the lever squeezed. The blade retracts as soon as it loses contact with the material being cut. A cutting depth of just 9 mm protects packaged goods. For cutting windows, again release the lock and activate the blade. Then pierce and cut. For power cutting, use both hands. When finished, blade retracts. And lock the lever using the safety catch. SECUPRO MARTEGO blades can be turned around multiple times. To do this, the knife must be locked. Press the blade change button and lift lever. Remove cover, apply a little pressure to lever the blade upwards, turn the blade around and reinsert. Place the blade precisely on the location lobe. Close the cover and click the lever. Release the lock to enable a one-off test, then relock. When all 4 cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. Press the blade change button and lift catch. Change blades early to ensure optimal cutting performance. Important: do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. To do this, lever upwards, remove the blade and dispose of instantly. Only use MARTOR blades. When inserting the blade, place exactly on the location lobe. Lever back and click in. Unlock, test, lock. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert the blade precisely. Close everything. Test. And replace locked into the belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.